Hi, welcome to Florida Keys Real Estate and Life with your host Baris. We are here on 426 Petronia Street, quick fix. And we have the business owner and the technician over here. It's Asim. Hi Asim, how are you doing today?
Hi, thank you, Baris.
Can you please tell us what makes you decide to move Key West?
Yes, I can come to last year for the vacation in the Key West.
Okay.
Yes, I love the city and very nice and very friendly people live here, and I decided to come here and work.
Alright, nice. And when you come here, were you thinking on opening a business here, or it just came up that you decided to open the business here?
Honestly, I didn't think to for the open the business,
Okay.
but I have a short story for that one. I have a cell phone business almost 10 years, and I come to vacation, I dropped my phone and it's cracked at the screen. It's a black screen, and I'm gonna try to find out cell phone repair store in Key West, but I didn't find. Nobody's doing, and I think there's the one reason for the here move to that one. Maybe God give the signal for me. You have to go the Key West, and
Well, nice. And how long have you been on business in downtown?
We opened 2018 April, almost 18 months.
Okay, that's really nice. I mean, I know a lot of people comes here for a vacation, and you have your phone, you take picture, and you want to make it memorable. Let's say I came here for a vacation and I crack my phone and I bring it to you. How long usually it takes to fix it? Because you come here for a certain period of time, and
Yes, it's take the 15-20 minutes usually, and maximum is 35 minutes, 40 minutes. That's it.
so that's for cracked screen on the phone,
Yes.
right? And do you do anything else besides cracked screens?
Yes, we do. We do the water damage, battery replacement, charging port replacement, earpiece, speaker. Almost we're gonna do everything about the phone.
All right, and how about anything else like computers and iPads, or just the phone?
Yes. We do computer repair, laptop repair, tablet repair, phone, smartwatch, everything.
Wow, that's really good. And let's say I drop my phone in the bowl when I was having mimosas and margaritas. What I shouldn't do, because a lot of people they just
Yes.
try to open it, put it on charge and all that.
That's a good question. And we honestly, first of all, don't charge the phone. If this phone is turning on, turn off the phone, and you have to bring it to us as soon as possible, or you have to bring it to professional technician for the look at the phone and cleaning the inside.
And I mean, the water damage is a little tricky because even the insurance doesn't cover it. Can you tell us what is the percentage of you fixing the phone?
75-80% is a fixable, and we can do that. It depends how long ago you bring it to.
So it depends how fast you bring it.
How fast you bring it to.
Yeah, that's really good. Do you do anything else besides the fixing? Like I see that you have screen protectors over here.
Yes, we
What
have,
else you have in the shop?
We have the tempered glass, cases, charging port, power bank, black-proof case, pop socket. We have everything about the phone and tablet.
Right, that's really nice. Alright guys, if you break your phone during your vacation, and we know that you have a limited period of time, the quick fix is located on 426 Petronia Street, right next to the Bourbon, 800 Bourbon. You just make a right and it's right around the corner. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, at the comment box below, I'm gonna leave all the information about the quick fix as well.